Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add plastic effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, in here at the menu, you can click on the all effect at the bottom. Click on it, and then in here you can click on the board on the style. Click on the style, and at the style you can swipe until you can see plastic. This one you can click on it, and in here you can see a plastic effect 1 until 5. You can choose the plastic effect that you want. This is the plastic 1, this is the plastic 3, and this is the plastic 4. In here I wanna choose plastic 1, so you just click on it, and then in here you just click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add plastic effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.